Hey folks, this is a video to help you configure ScannerPro so that all of your scans are automatically uploaded to a folder that the database team can then upload to any dog records. So first you need to go to your app store. I'm on an iPhone, so this should be the same for downloading any apps. ScannerPro 7 is what you're looking for, and it says open for me because I've already purchased it, but it's going to be $3.99. If you don't want to spend that or you don't have a smartphone, feel free to bring any of your scannable documents to an event where we have an iPad. So I'm going to back out of that app store, and I'm looking at the ScannerPro app in the bottom left of the screen. So I'm going to open ScannerPro. My home page shows all the documents that are already scanned, but I'm going to look at the gear in the top left-hand corner. That's where I go to do my settings. So I click on that, and settings comes up. And I'm going to be paying attention to the upload part of this. So the add cloud service, I'm going to click on that, and it gets me to this list of cloud services that it uploads to. So we're going to choose Google Drive. Anybody with a Gmail account has access to Google Drive, and it will ask you to sign in. So I'm going to sign in with my Rocket Dog email, Margaret rdr@gmail.com. The next step is going to be entering your password. So I'm going to enter mine and sign in. Then it's going to say ScannerPro wants to do all these things, and I'm going to allow. And I am going to enable automatic upload. That's what we're setting right now. So I'm going to click enable. And now the auto upload is kind of highlighted underneath that cloud services. And it also says Google Drive /ScannerPro. So I can go in and select where in Google Drive I want to upload to. So right now under the word settings, it says Google Drive /ScannerPro. If I click on that, that's the current location that anything is uploaded to. And you're going to see a bunch of folders. This is what is actually inside ScannerPro, the ScannerPro folder that's been shared with everybody. These are all the dates of events where I've scanned documents, and then there's some other documents that don't have to do with adoption events that are down there, vet records and things like that. I could, at this point, go back out. This is my main Google Drive contents, so when I look into Google Drive, this is what I see, and ScannerPro is in there, so that's how you select it. If it's not showing up, please let me know and I can help you find it, but it should be in shared documents. I'm even going to go to here. Nope, I'm not going to create that. So if I select PHS, then that's what all the records will be uploaded into. If I select dog pics, then that's where all of my scans will go. But I'm going to select ScannerPro again, hit done, and that's how you change that. A couple of these settings down here, the auto upload using Wi-Fi only. If you don't want to use any of your cellular data, then you can keep that turned off. Or sorry, you can turn that on, and then the only time it's going to auto upload is when you're in a place where you have a Wi-Fi connection. The use Google Drive OCR, that's actually text recognition, so that if you scanned a document that had readable text, it can turn it into basically a Word document, something like that, where you could then edit the words. And when you're choosing the file type down at the bottom, please don't choose JPEG, choose PDF. Both of those would work, but PDF is going to be easier to use in case we need to recognize text later. At the very, very bottom it says disable auto upload. You can do that at any time, but once you set your settings like this, you're good to go. I will show you really quickly. That big orange plus in the bottom is excuse me, is for scanning. So once you push that, then you're going to have a camera enabled. Sorry, I'm trying to find something to scan. I'm going to scan my camera book here. So if you put it on some sort of background that it can find the contrast of the edges, then it's going to automatically sense those edges like it did with kind of highlighting in blue. Let's see if I could do it. And then it'll actually automatically take the picture. This is not a lot of contrast for the back of that. Let's do something else. We're going to do it on the iPad. Okay, so if you get a solid colored background, it should have an easier time selecting the edges. And it just took the picture. So now click the page, the blue page down in the bottom right hand of the screen that says 1. If I click on that, I can view what I just took. I can also click on the title that's below it, that's scan August 2nd. I clicked on that, and now I can alter the title. So I'm going to say test scan. And done. And then save is in the top left corner. Now I've scanned that. More videos later on what we're going to actually do for titling files.